A clockwork universe, predicted with uncanny accuracy over 2,000 years ago. In 1901, sponge divers stumble upon a Roman shipwreck, a treasure trove of antiquity. Among the treasures, a corroded lump concealing a secret that would rewrite history. The Antikythera Mechanism, a device so complex it defied explanation for decades. Eclipses predicted, planetary motions charted, a window into ancient astronomical knowledge. Cicero wrote of Archimedes' planetarium, a possible precursor to this intricate device. Lost texts whisper of a forgotten school of advanced mechanics in antiquity. Was it Hipparchus? Posidonius? The search for its creator continues. Evidence of a lost, advanced Greek civilization? Some believe it's possible. Or an isolated genius? A fleeting spark of brilliance? The debate rages on. Over 30 gears, intricately crafted, a testament to astonishing precision. Bronze, meticulously machined, with tolerances unheard of for centuries to come. Inscriptions, a cryptic language of astronomy whispering secrets across millennia. It predicted lunar and solar eclipses with astonishing precision, a marvel of ancient science. The Metonic cycle, a 19-year lunar pattern, encoded within its intricate gears. Even the Callippic cycle, a refinement of the Metonic, was incorporated into its design. The Saros cycle, predicting eclipse recurrence, another testament to its predictive power. Planetary motions, evidence suggests it charted the dance of the 5 known planets. Navigation tool, teaching aid, a sacred object of prophecy, its purpose remains debated. Ancient texts hint at similar lost devices, sphere-bearers, astrolabes of forgotten lore. A fragment of a larger device, a complex astronomical clock lost to time? Cicero's account of Archimedes' invention fuels speculation about lost technology. The Library of Alexandria, a treasure trove of knowledge lost to the flames of history. Guild secrets? Was its knowledge protected, passed down through select initiates? Vitruvius, a Roman engineer, described complex bronze gearworks, lending credence to its existence. Rhodes, a hub of astronomy and mechanics, a likely birthplace of such ingenuity. Hipparchus, the father of trigonometry, a resident of Rhodes, a potential connection. Posidonius, another Rhodian scholar, delved into astronomy and celestial mechanics. Geminus, also from Rhodes, wrote about gears and astronomical instruments. Another clue, the precision of its gears defies ancient capabilities. Were lost techniques used? What tools created such intricate components? The mystery of its manufacture deepened. Beneath the corrosion, more secrets lie hidden. Steech scans reveal more inscriptions, hidden mechanisms. Inscriptions mention Olympic Games, pinning the device to a specific historical moment. This complexity shatters our linear view of technological advancement. A peak, then a fall? Did the ancients possess a more profound grasp of the cosmos than we assume? Or was it a unique creation? A fleeting spark of genius lost to the sands of time? Babylonian influence? Did the Greeks inherit astronomical knowledge from earlier civilizations? Venus, Mars, their intricate cycles charted with surprising accuracy. Was it used for navigation, guiding ships across the open sea? Or was it a teaching tool unraveling the mysteries of the universe for aspiring scholars? Some believe it held astrological significance, used to divine the future. The Baghdad Battery, the Nebra Sky Disk. Other enigmatic artifacts hint at lost knowledge. Could this be evidence of a pre-cataclysm civilization, possessing advanced technology lost to time? Skeptics argue for a simpler explanation, dismissing more fantastical theories. Modern recreations reveal its complexity, but some mysteries remain unsolved. Its inscriptions reveal a complex understanding of lunar anomalies, eclipses, subtle variations. Was its knowledge suppressed? Did the Roman conquest stifle scientific advancement? Could it have calculated the dates of significant religious festivals and rituals? The mechanism's complexity hints at a network of skilled artisans in workshops. Its discovery sparked a century of research, yet it continues to yield new secrets. The Voynich manuscript, another enigma, shares the same aura of mystery and lost knowledge. Did its creators envision a universe governed by predictable mechanical laws? Some dismiss its significance, attributing its creation to a single isolated genius. But its sophistication hints at a deeper, more widespread understanding of mechanics and astronomy. What if other such devices lie hidden, waiting to be discovered? Ongoing research uses cutting-edge technology to unlock its remaining secret. Its existence challenges our assumptions about the capabilities of ancient civilizations. It compels us to question what other knowledge has been lost, forgotten, or deliberately obscured. The Antikythera Mechanism, a timeless enigma, a testament to human ingenuity, a call to explore the mysteries of our past, a window into a lost world. Its whispers continue to echo across time, inspiring us to seek out the forgotten knowledge of our ancestors.